Rache. Camera shy, isn't he?
He won't sing for you.
Maybe a sing for you.
No,
Probably
that one
not.
didn't sing.
Which one does?
Well, neither one of them really sing.
But they did made it. What? Didn't he just made a noise?
Yeah.
But he
He'll
probably
make
don't
noises,
sing.
but he won't sing.
Alright.
Well, you can get a bird like that to sing. You gotta get them when they're pretty young. So,
Looks like he is camera shy.
yeah.
Looks like he's trying to hide from you.
And he's about 15 and she's about 18.
Oh wow.
So they're still young birds because they can live until past 70.
Oh wow.
But we've never been able to get her to sing. Now, we haven't really started working with piano yet.
Did you get cooled off?
Yeah. It's humid out, isn't it?
It is. The mosquitoes are all hungry too.
Oh, really? Are the mosquitoes getting bad again?
Yes, the big ones.
Yeah.
Where'd Zoey go?
What was that noise?
Oh, she makes noise. Or he makes the noise, like a groaning noise.
Oh, sure. Where is she?
Wait, where's Tony? See you later, little fella. Wait, what's her name again?
That's Zoey.
Bye, Zoey, and bye, Rache.
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 Yeah.
You take care, alright?
Well, you come back and see me. Okay?
Alright. See ya.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Whew. It is a scorch out today. Oh, YouTube, I beg you, go and see you later. Bye.